Outstanding morning EDCOINers. Welcome to the MASTER EDCOIN Wallet App tutorial for the conversion of EDCOIN into EDPOINTs. The MASTER EDCOIN Wallet is the all-in-one wallet for all things EDCOIN. In this video, you will learn how to convert your EDCOIN into EDPOINTs. In your MASTER EDCOIN Wallet account, click on Conversion. Then click on Convert. EDPOINTs is the correct application type. Enter a valid EDA number. Click on Verify and please confirm that the name that appears is correct. Enter the amount of EDCOIN you wish to convert. Please note that the conversion rate of EDCOIN into EDPOINTs is dependent on your country of KYC. In this example, the rate used is for the Philippines. For this tutorial, we will enter 5 EDCOIN. Click on Calculate. You will see the amount of EDPOINTs you will receive. Click on either email authentication or Google authentication. You will be able to see your conversion summary. Enter the Google Authenticator code. In this example, we will enter 472176. Click on Submit. Congratulations, you have successfully converted your EDCOIN into EDPOINTs. MASTER EDCOIN Wallet. Let's build forward together.